welcome to another episode of The Human Code, where I redefine sales through the human connection, where we strip down that sales transaction to what really matters, those basic and timeless communication skills you already possess. I'm Susan Gaytan, and today we're here in my hometown, Long Beach, California. And here's the question for you today. Are you likable? First impressions are one thing, but do you pass the vibe check after that? You might be really good at turning it on when you have to, but just because somebody likes you in the first 7 seconds doesn't mean that you're going to close the deal or that you're even going to set an appointment that shows up. People feel that energy when you have that first conversation with them. Alan used to say that the best salespeople are really good at the basics, and one of those basics is being likable. Now, if you're here already, if you work at a dealership, then clearly you've passed some sort of test. Chances are you probably know how to flip the switch and turn that baby on when you have to. But I also know that there are some pretty incredible people I've met out there in this business who still struggle with this part. Maybe you're naturally introverted. Maybe you come from a job where connecting with people just wasn't obligated. But in car sales, being likable isn't optional. It's literally the difference between someone just window shopping you and someone saying, yeah, I want to buy a car from you. Now, being likable means that people just feel good around you. They feel connected. It's that energy they get from you. We've already talked about the basics, listening, matching someone's tone or body language. But here's the real question. What do you actually say when it's not about the car? That's where a lot of us freeze. Here's a secret. Talk about them. If you haven't noticed, people love talking about themselves. Fellas, out on a first date, don't talk about yourself. Ask questions about them. But now a prospect, yeah, we want to talk about, hey, what are your weekend plans? Or something as simple as, man, it's a hot one today. Are you used to this LA weather? Are you from around here? You want to try to find common ground, and this is easier than you think. If this person says something like, actually, I'm originally from Texas, which is hotter, then you could say something like, oh, that's pretty awesome. I low-key love Tex-Mex. Little moments like this create an instant common ground. We call this building rapport. Now, if you get stuck in an uncomfortable silence, one of my mentors taught me this once a while back. Think FORM, F-O-R-M, family, occupation, recreation, and then your message. This little acronym can help you connect with people before actually trying to sell to them. All right, here's your simple human habit for the week. Practice asking one non-car question in every conversation. Something easy like, are you originally from around here? Or any fun plans this weekend? The goal isn't just small talk, it's to find common ground. Do this with customers, but even with people outside of work. And you're gonna start building rapport without even thinking about it. And don't stress about filling every silence. Focus on creating those little micro moments where your customer feels comfortable and connected with you. Because when someone feels that, then their guard drops. And once you've got that vibe checked, selling a car isn't pressure anymore. It's just the natural next step. And that is the real human code. See you next time.